In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connections. Then select Bluetooth and click on this switcher at the top if it's not already on. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then hit Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!